That was such a ripoff. Hey everybody, welcome back to another video where today I am playing Ice Cream Simulator. And probably something else too. So yeah. Today is a very annoying day. I have been ripped off majorly. Also, as you can see, yeah. Look, dark chocolate. 45. I mean, dude, that's like, to all those pepperoni. Yep. Anyway, so I am in contact with Jeff ate food 23. So don't mind me when I'm talking wildly. So yeah. Anyway, as you can see, I have an amazing pet that is all. Whoa. What is that? Oh, that must be the experience. I wonder how much. Maybe. I don't know. Ugh, there's so many things coming. No idea what it is. But I have 272 each second. Man, this is going well. And I'm going to go back into regular place because now I can do a new obby. Yes, this game has obbies in it, baby. Mischief Portal? Oh my word. Oh, this sounds so cool. Now I could be here all day, all episode. So yeah, don't get annoyed if I am here all episode. Well, I cannot touch. Oh gosh. Nope. No, I really should not. No! I didn't understand that. That's why I died. You know, excuses. That was mine. But yeah, as you can see, on the left corner, kind of, I can hold 150,000 scoops. So yeah. Woohoo! Oh my. Yes! Oh man. Okay, you know what? That did not take as long as I thought it would. Usually that takes me forever to complete. But anyway, hot. Wait, what is this? A fire. Hot fire. Yes, equip that bad boy. Dude! I am doing awesome. Now, let me get some more of these things just because. 506, dude. I'm going up like crazy. Set for that. That's a rookie. Da 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 da. Alright, so, let me think. I guess it wouldn't hurt to get a quest. I love Halloween. It lets me be myself for once. You see, vampires cannot go out in broad daylight. But tonight I am free. I hunger for the sweet, cold texture of ice cream. Say, can you get me some ice cream? Mwahahaha. Sure. Now, how much do you want? 416 red coins. Dude, that's like no biggie. I can do that in like, I have no idea. Alright, so that's like 300 now. So I just need, but I got 401 tokens. Dude, you see, these guys are great to just get stuff off of. Just because I'm so much. Hi, me called Frankenstein. Frankenstein created in laboratory. Frankenstein give quest. Do quest for Frankenstein and me give you reward. Alright, so what is it? It is 528 purple coins. Dude, that's literally every time I get a token. Wait. Purple tokens. Okay, good. That's what I thought. Thank you. That was not really worth it. Don't know why I did that. But anyway. So yeah. Dude, I'm just gonna keep going until I get like 7,500. No. Nothing's that great anymore. Wait. There are obbies in here, right? I think so. Wait, no. That's the obby. Yeah, I need 100 rebirths. Don't worry, that's like nothing. That's a shop. Okay, never mind. And now, rebirth. 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 Man, this is gonna take a while. Rebirth. 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 Wait, what? Rebirth. 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 I'm gonna skip until I have okay, rebirth. Alright, I'm back now. And I am going to go to here. Wait, what? Wait. So what? Oh, that's what it meant. Okay, so I could always have gone to the... Actually, I don't know if I could have. I think I needed like a certain amount of... Yeah, I need 400,000 to complete the first one. So... Yay. Anyway, Whoa, 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 what is this? This is the fairy, isn't it? 2 million? Dude. Okay, dokey. Ouch! What do I get? What do I get? What do I get? What do I get? I get 750. Yay. I'd like to do that again. Hello, can I spin? Oh, spin once daily, okay. Look at that. I wonder how, I wish I would get wings. Bye. Golden Winged Warrior? Oh, yay, okay, it wouldn't look good on me anyway. Let me just, one. What will I look like? Sure, let's just rebirth. Unequipped. Unequipped. No, and then this, unequipped. There we go. Now, what do I need? I need that. This. Thank you. 42 levels? Dude, yes. No. Wait. Wait, what? I had a better one. 50 billion more. 398. Oh gosh, no. So I need 50 for this. How much is that? Oh, that's 1 million. Okay, good. Alright, so let me keep going so I can get like that much money. I need about 50 billion more to go. So, yay. Wait. But, wait, gems? Did it mean gems? Flavor? No, it wasn't flavors. It was cones, I think. Yeah. More coins. Okay, yeah. 50 billion. Okay. Or 100. Everyone I want. Okay. I'm not sure if this will take that long, honestly. This is probably gonna be fun.
We can do 2 dozen. No, we're not gonna get fancy.
Done.
No fancy pants.
Done.
Nope.
Anyway,
Well,
so
we're gonna make the ones that we need, and then
yeah, so just so you know, this is called what is it called? Ice Cream Simulator. Super fun. You should try it. And right now, I'm just, well, as you know, I am trying to get 50 billion coins. So yeah, but sadly I think we have run out of time for this episode. So I will see you all in the next one to come. Hopefully that will not be that long. So yeah, see y'all then. Bye!